Hi there, I'm doing good. So here I'm having the issue of getting um, some ingredients and for especially one barbecue sauce. So the no workflow you gave me that it takes the first recipe from here and then it goes back to the final, finds out if there's a match in the blue cell or maybe a colored cell. Then it takes all the ingredients, then it looks through the ingredient within itself. And if any of the ingredient is again available in any of the blue, then takes all the ingredients from that as well. And again, if there are any ingredients within that ingredient which are available as a whole recipe, then all the ingredients of that recipe as well will be collected as a third level, second level, and that so on. So I think this is not the exact workflow I was just working through the code last 2 days, almost one day. So what I found is that it's basically taking the list from this list. It's not creating this. The print has to be created from somewhere. So it's taking the all of these are not coming directly from here. So if I did it, so these are not the source. The source for these recipes are the menu, this list. I'll be deleting this later. So these are the all the lists which will create the recipes and we'll be putting the ingredients for each of these. So we start from here. We take the first one. We find if there is any match in it, and then take the gray ingredient and then go for the second level, third level, and so on. The problem where I found is that in the code is this that it is not actually recursive because yeah, um, because it will obviously it will be an infinite loop and you cannot do this. So what the coder or the developer has done here is that he has used this column, the ingredient column, with the combination. You can see this combination. So he has used these listings which he has already created from the listing on the final tab. So what I'm trying to basically show here is that, like for example, this is the one. Here is the barbecue sauce. There it is. And you can see all of the ingredients are here. I have done the same thing. Let me find another one. Here it is. Sorry, let me start from this one. So I'll take this one. Basically for bacon. So he has basically created a list and not able to find it. I was expecting that it should be in a blue one, but it is not. All right. So still you can see once you will encounter the bacon, you'll get all the ingredients, the sub ingredients in the second level from this one. And he has already created the list for the third level as well. And so for these, and the similar approach have been used for the barbecue sauce and one of those which was missing. So there were three items were missing and those are not going to give you the full ingredients. So I have added those. Let me show you which are those. Why I'm showing you this is basically just in case if you in future if you find any problem, you can always find, you can always fix it or you can do it yourself. So you can see this is the sauce barbecue, and here I have added all of these ingredients which are basically coming from the final sheet. I have compiled a comma separated list of all the sub ingredient or ingredient of the barbecue sauce, and I have added that in front of the barbecue sauce in here, so that once if you will go in the in a recipe which contains barbecue sauce, and it will reach again back to here, and it will find, so it will directly find all the ingredients in this cell, so he don't need, the code don't need to recursively go back again and then find it. So it is not recursing, it's just taking all the ingredients from this column. So if there is any recipe which has a sub ingredient or ingredient, the listing should be available in this cell. So this is the punchline. Now I'll show you the I was working on it for this. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to do, there are some formula with that. I don't know why, but there I think he's making some formula. I'll see that later. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the print tab where we'll be generating the listing for all of these. So again, the listing will be coming from here, and I think for this one or this one, for this one, anything barbecue sauce, we'll be getting the all the recipes. Okay, so I'll be clicking on the ingredients. It's updated, and here you should see the barbecue sauce with all its ingredients from here to here. Okay. And similarly for all of these, if there is still any sub ingredient or ingredient is missing, it means that the same calorie, 1000 calorie tab to be updated for this. I don't know what is this congregate, so he's using a C as well and using triple dash as well. But I was just focusing on the fix, so I found that this is the column which is taking the sub ingredients for the second level of this column. So now it is fixed, and now you can use it. I'll be applying this on your main file because this is a copy. I was not disturbing your file. Yeah, I think it's working now, and it's giving you the sub ingredients. But if it's still any of these are missing, you can always come back in here and add in front of that. Like you can see for this salam banat, these are the recipe ingredients, and those are already in there. So that is it from my side. Looking forward for your review. I'll be applying this in maybe 5 to 10 minutes in your mention. Forward for your review. Take care. Bye.